If you want to create and monetize 2D animation videos like this using completely free AI tools, then this video is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process I used to create videos like this without spending a dollar. In this video, you'll learn how to keep your characters consistent and pick up a bunch of other useful techniques too. Just look at how consistent this looks. Take this channel as an example. Lost Legacy is a great example. This channel has been getting thousands of views even without putting much effort into their animations. Some of their videos have crossed over 4 million views, and they've only been doing this for about a year. On their page, you'll see that all their videos are performing really well, and everything they post is just 2D animated stories. If you knew how much this channel is making, it would honestly blow your mind. This channel is estimated to be making at least $2,000 every single month, and they've gained over 200,000 subscribers with just 32 videos uploaded. That's honestly unbelievable. Now, with over 20 million views across all their videos, this channel could have made more than $100,000 in just the last 8 months. That's pretty impressive if you ask me. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. But before that, take a second to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy videos like this. Let's jump right into it. In this tutorial, we'll be using Whisk. Next, I've prepared a detailed prompt specifically for the character. Simply go to the description and you'll see the character prompt there. Copy the prompt and paste it in Whisk. Hit Generate. Whisk will start generating the character. As it will generate 2 characters, pick any character that you like. Simple download it, as we'll need it for reference. Next, copy the image generation prompt. Go to Whisk and paste it there. Before generating the image, don't forget to put your reference image in the subject section. Now just hit Enter. Whisk will start creating your image. Now, step by step, we'll copy all the image prompts and repeat the same process. I'll fast forward here.
Once you've done that, download all the images one by one. For video generation, we'll use Google Flow. Type Google Flow. Click Create with Flow. Hit New Project. Paste all the images in the flow. Once all the images are uploaded, drag the first image and the start image. Go to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt for Scene 1. For setting, click Video. Frames, aspect ratio 16:9. If you choose VO Lite, it will take just 10 credits. Hit Enter, wait for a few seconds, it'll generate our video. Look how good the video looks. Just repeat the same process. Once all the videos are ready, download them. Now for voice script. Go to ChatGPT and copy the voice script. For audio generation, we'll use Google Studio. Type Google Studio. Once the website opens, click Single Speaker Audio. You can select the audio from the left side. I'll choose Puck. Paste the prompt, hit Run. Once audio is ready, click 3 dots to download it. Next, for video editing, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, import all the videos. Arrange them according to the audio. Once it's ready, just export it. Finally, your video is ready to be uploaded.